Hi everyone, the 9K720 Iskander-M Tactical Missile System, known by NATO as the SS-26 Stone, represents a significant advancement in modern warfare technology. Developed by Russia, this mobile short-range ballistic missile system has been designed to deliver precision strikes against a variety of targets, including enemy missile systems, command centers, and infrastructure. The Iskander-M system is equipped with two solid propellant single-stage guided missiles, Model 9M723K1. Each missile is controlled throughout its entire flight path and fitted with an inseparable warhead. The mobility of the Iskander launch platform makes a launch difficult to prevent. Targets can be located not only by satellite and aircraft but also by a conventional intelligence center, by an artillery observer, or from aerial photos scanned into a computer. The missiles can be retargeted during flight in the case of engaging mobile targets. Another unique feature of Iskander-M is the optically guided warhead, which can also be controlled by encrypted radio transmission, including such as those from AWACS or UF. The electro-optical guidance system provides a self-homing capability. The missile's onboard computer receives images of the target, then locks onto the target with its sight and descends towards it at supersonic speed. Boost phase thrust vector control, TVC, is accomplished by graphite vanes similar in layout to the V2 and Scud series tactical ballistic missiles. According to some reports, in flight, the missile follows a quasi-ballistic path, performing evasive maneuvers in the terminal phase of flight and releasing decoys in order to penetrate missile defense systems. The missile never leaves the atmosphere as it follows a relatively flat trajectory. The missile is controlled during the whole flight with gas dynamic and aerodynamic control surfaces. It uses small fins to reduce its radar signature. The Russian Iskander-M travels at a hypersonic speed of 2,100–2,600 meters per second, Mach 6A7, and an altitude of 50 kilometers. The Iskander-M weighs 4,615 kilograms, carries a warhead of 710–800 kilograms, has a range of 500 kilometers and achieves a circular area probable, SEP, of 5A7 meters when coupled with optical homing head 30A70 meters in autonomous application. Iskander is a tactical missile system designed to be used in theater-level conflicts. It is intended to use conventional or thermonuclear weapon warheads for the engagement of small and area targets, both moving and stationary, such as hostile fire weapons, air and anti-missile defenses, command posts and communications nodes, and troops in concentration areas, among others. According to Russian claims, the area of destruction from a single warhead is 25,000 square meters, or about 2 football fields, and the accuracy of the missile allows it to hit targets the size of a small window from a range of several tens of kilometers. In 2007, a new missile for the system, and launcher, was test-fired, the cruise missile, with a range of applications up to 2,000 kilometers or more. Presently, the Iskander-M system, outfitted with cruise and ballistic missiles, is being delivered to the military. In 2013, Army Missile Brigades first received missiles equipped with a new control system. As of 2018, the Iskander missile complex can now strike static sea targets. The system can be transported by various vehicles, including airplanes. When nuclear-armed, the warhead is estimated to have a yield of 5 to 50 kilotons of TNT. The Iskander-M system includes several mobile launching units, command control posts, and transport loading vehicles. In its basic configuration, Iskander incorporates the 9M723 single-stage solid propellant missile with a firing range of up to 500 kilometers. The 9M723 missile can be armed with either high explosive, HE, or cluster warheads. The Iskander launcher is based on an 8-wheel MZKT 7930 truck, weighing 43 tons when loaded with two 9M720/9M723 missiles. The Iskander TEL is equipped with an armored roof to protect its two ballistic or cruise missiles. The TEL's cabin is hardened against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) hazards and extreme temperatures, with an operating range between -50 to 50 degrees Celsius. The vehicle is also amphibious and can travel at speeds up to 70 km per hour, 43 miles per hour, for 1,100 km, 684 miles. Each TEL is capable of operating independently. Rear-load vehicles, each carrying two missiles and a crane, enable prolonged battlefield operations. A command vehicle, based on a Komatsu 43101 truck, can communicate with multiple Iskander units and send new target coordinates to launch crews. The Iskander-E variant is the only version available for export, adhering to international arms control agreements. Countries interested in purchasing the Iskander-E missile have to comply with restrictions set by treaties like the Missile Technology Control Regime, MTCR. Countries with Iskander missiles include Russia, Armenia, and Belarus. In 2023, Belarus announced that its armed forces have completed a series of training sessions and are now autonomously operating the Russian-made 9K720 Iskander-M Tactical Missile system. As a result, the Belarusian armed forces gained the ability to conduct a missile strike at a distance of 500 kilometers. The Iskander-M systems received by the armed forces of Belarus are identical to the Iskander systems operated by the armed forces of the Russian Federation. The Iskander-M system's high mobility, precision, and versatility make it a formidable asset in modern warfare. Its ability to deliver various types of warheads, including nuclear, and its capacity to evade missile defense systems through advanced guidance and maneuverability, underscore its strategic importance. As geopolitical tensions continue to evolve, the deployment and proliferation of systems like the Iskander-M will remain a critical factor in global security dynamics. In conclusion, the 9K720 Iskander-M tactical missile system represents a significant leap in missile technology, offering a combination of speed, precision, and adaptability. Its deployment by Russia and its allies reflects a strategic emphasis on advanced, mobile, and versatile missile systems capable of delivering a wide range of payloads with high accuracy. As military technologies continue to advance, the Iskander-M stands as a testament to the evolving nature of modern warfare and the ongoing quest for strategic superiority.